Hey YouTubers, Ronald here. We're gonna go over the battery-powered Wi-Fi camera made by Anbes. This is the BF-A10 model. So let's go over the step-by-step process of how to set it up. All right, let's get started. So you just buy your BF-A10 and you're gonna get started with it. So first thing we wanna do is charge it. You provided a micro USB cable, and on the back of the camera, behind this protective cover, the port for it is there. So simply charge it fully and then remove it. You're also going to be needing a SD card. So I'm using the Samsung 128 gigabyte Evo, and you provided some tweezers to help you put it in there. The space is pretty small, so simply you're going to hear a little clicking sound when it's inserted. Okay. Next, we want to go into the app. And the app that's being used is called Cloud Edge. You have three choices of how to create your account. So you can use Facebook, you can use WeChat, or you could put sign up and then use your email. I am going to use WeChat since I already have an account. All right. Then you're going to tap the add button, and we're going to go over to battery camera.
Hold the device power button to start the device.
Okay, we're going to follow the directions given to us. You see the red light turn on. I'm going to put next.
Please reset the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds. Wait for the indicator light to flash red.
So you're given this little tool to reset it, and it's like the little hole right here. You heard the little noise, so now we're good to go.
Select the Wi-Fi network you want to sync with. Please choose a 2.4G network, then enter your network password.
So I already have it set up to my Wi-Fi network, and it's 2.4 gigs. And we're going to put OK to accept.
Please remove the protective film from your camera lens. Tap next to show your QR code, then hold the code in front of the camera lens at a distance of 5 to 8 inches.
Okay, I already have the protective cover off, and we're going to press next to get the QR code, and we're going to put it, there you go. You heard the little noise. So here you're going to press notification turn heard.
Connecting. Please wait a moment.
Okay, pretty much done. And that's how you set up your BF-A10 to your Cloud Edge app. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to let me know. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.